It is my privilege to extend my heartfelt thanks to the organizers of this Robotics 3.0. I share with you that I had been the part of articulation of National Education Policy 2020 when I was in Ministry of Human Resource Development, New Delhi. It was really excellent experience for me to see how the education policy is getting revived after 35 years. And there I saw that if the children at schools are taught practically more rather than theoretical studies, it is more impactful, more effective for them to learn the things around us. Secondly, whatever I have observed in this Robotics 3.0, it is the interest of students, hard work of the faculty members at this school, and the right directions of the management of this school. So I must congratulate all of them, all the stakeholders of this Robotics 3.0, and wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you.